Hi guys, my name is Babs. This is Keys, and we're the hosts for Atseinio today.
Today has been a fantastic example of what can be achieved when organisations come together. It is such a privilege for Beacons and Anthem to be able to work together in this sort of collaboration, because having something like the first of its kind and being able to be a part of it in Wales feels almost historical. I don't want to toot our own horn, but I think we've done a fantastic job.
Dwi'n meddwl mae heddiw yn wych achos ers y pandemig, da ni'n cael llawer o gyfle i ddod ynghyd wyneb o wyneb. Da ni wedi gwneud gymaint o Zoom, a mae bod yn ystafell heddiw yn atgoffa fi pa mor dda ydi bod yn yr un gofod a pobl yn trafod yn hytrach na'r sgrin. A mae'n sgyrsiau difyr iawn yma heddiw, dysgu lot o fod yn gwrando ar brofiadau pobl eraill, yn enwedig o bobl ifanc sydd yn arwain y diwrnod.
I've learned about how connected young people and organisations are, so I think it's in a really good place, and that's why I think there's even more that can be done now.
I found a lot of the time when looking at inclusivity in Wales that organisations don't often communicate together. They're often doing the job independently, and so I think days like this are really important to bridge that gap in communication.